Monsieur le Premier ministre, Mesdames et Messieurs les ministres, Mesdames et Messieurs les élus, Messieurs les présidents, Mesdames, Messieurs, je suis très heureux de vous accueillir, moi aussi, pour cette pose de première pierre. Figurez-vous que cela fait 22 ans que je n'ai pas pratiqué mon français. Je vous demande donc l'indulgence et je vous promets de travailler cette si belle langue pour être prêt le jour de l'inauguration. D'ici là, je vous propose de poursuivre ce discours en anglais. We are really proud to join all of you here for this ceremony that officially marks the start of the construction of Village Nature. More than 25 years ago, Euro Disney and the French state signed an agreement that's designed to generate long-term development for this area and provide high-quality tourism experiences. Since that time, Disneyland Paris has become the #1 tourist destination in Europe. And Seine-et-Marne is unquestionably a premier destination for tourism and for highly innovative experiences. Today, we mark yet another milestone in that journey together. We are very proud to be partners here in this important ecotourism project with Pierre Vacances-Center Parcs. Pierre Vacances-Center Parcs will bring the expertise in operating vacation villages like Village Nature, and Disney will bring its unique brand of storytelling, creativity, and innovation to the project. And our combined expertise will result in an absolutely unique ecotourism destination, which will appeal both to European travelers and develop the local area further. There's so many great things about this destination, from its fully sustainable development plan, its use of geothermal energy, to its leisure facilities and much, much more. And on top of all of that, we truly believe that over time this destination will continue to create jobs for the area. And it will also strengthen the appeal of France as a tourist destination for generations to come. Ce jour est un symbole fort de cette nouvelle ère touristique qui commence. Nous sommes heureux et fiers de concrétiser ensemble cette aventure et de poser aujourd'hui cette première pierre. Merci à tous.